Hi, how to set up Batch and Print Pro monitor option to use a PRS file to set the number of copies on the printer for the monitored file what's going to print. So to do this, you first of all need to create a PRS file. That's a printer settings file. It's basically a snapshot of the printer driver settings. Go to File menu, Printer Setup, and you set your printer up how you want it, tray 1 for example, and you can use any different setting. Advanced, set number of copies to 2, click OK to that. Now click on File menu, save printer settings as, and I want to call it 2 copies. Okay. You can create as many of these as you like and use different setups in different folder monitors. So go into Options menu, Directory Monitor Setup. So to use this, it's already pre-filled out, but I want to monitor this folder here, and I want to print as PDFs. So this example test PDF here, and I want to use this printer here. So in here, I want to use this PRS file what I've created, which will set the printer first before printing out the file. Then click Add to Monitor List. So that's now set up. I'm going to activate monitoring, save and exit, and clear print log. So here we go, it's setting the 2 copies first and it's sending the PDF file. So if I right mouse on that properties, if I go to advanced, I can see that copies are set to 2, which is exactly what I want. So say if I want to do the same again, but for 3 copies, what I'm going to put this file in here and I call it 3. So if I go into Directory Monitor Setup, I can do it in there. I'm going to copies 3 and call it 3 copies, add to monitor list. So that's now got 2 set up. Now I want to set this up so doesn't exist at the moment. Properties, advanced 3, okay. So I'm going to call it 3 copies. So that's now created. So it should monitor both these folders now. So that would be 2 copies and that would be 3 copies. Save and exit. So you can see it's pulled in test 3 and it's pulled in 3 copies. So if I go into the printer now, sort by submitted, that should be 3 copies. Go to advanced, you can see it's 3 copies. So if I create another 2 copy one, so I've changed that to test 2, you should print that with 2 copies. Advanced, so you've got 2 copies on that folder. And obviously you can set for 1 copy for a general folder, so that way you can put the right PDFs in the right folder for a number of copies you want. And it's that simple to set up. And that's it. Give it a try.